Hello, Algebra 3-4. I wanted to come on here and do an example on exponential model word problems, because word problems are hard. So, a huge ice glacier in the Himalayas initially covered an area of 45 square kilometers. Because of changing weather patterns, this glacier begins to melt and the area it covers begins to decrease exponentially. The relationship between A, the area of the glacier in square kilometers, and T, the number of years the glacier has been melting, is modeled by the following equation. A equals 45 times E to the negative 0.05 T. Now remember, E is a number. E is kind of like pi. Pi is 3.14159, blah, 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 and goes on forever. It's an irrational number. E is very similar. It's like 2.7 something or 2.47 or something like that. And it goes on forever. It's a number. E is a number. It's not a letter. How many years will it take for the area of the glacier to decrease to 15 square kilometers? So 15 square kilometers, is that an area or is that a time, a number of years? That's an area. So we're going to replace that A in our equation with 15, and we need to solve for years, the T. Give an exact answer expressed as a natural logarithm. So we actually won't probably use our calculator here. Doesn't even give us a calculator option. We're just putting it ready to go in the calculator and typing that in as years. So like I said, let's write this in. So we want to put this 15 here in for A. So I'm going to write that over here. We got 15 equals 45 e to the negative 0.05 t. Okay, now we want to solve this equation to get t by itself. So the first thing I want to do, this guy right here is being multiplied to e. So how do we get rid of something that's being multiplied? We divide it. So let me put a different color in here. Green. I'm going to divide both sides by 45. Okay, they don't give you a calculator, but I believe 15 over 45 can be reduced to 1/3. Can even check if we wanted to. So 15 divided by 45 is 1/3. So I'm going to write that fraction in here. It says exact, so you can't round it. You can't say 0.3. That is not exactly 1/3. So we can't do that. Let's go back to our blue and write 1/3 equals, so we got rid of the 45 over 45, so we're left with e to the negative 0.05 t. Okay, so we've got our base and our exponent by itself on that right side. We just have a base to the exponent that's all by itself equaling a number. So that means now it's time to put it into logarithmic form. Okay, so you guys are good at this, at putting it in logarithmic form. Some of you are really good with e's, but those that aren't, I'm going to go ahead and do it as if we didn't really know what e was, but we know it's a number. So to put exponential into logarithmic form, rewrite log. Okay, the base is e, so we put it like as a little number, a little bit below g, and then so log base e of the answer. You can put it in parentheses if we wanted to, of the answer equals our exponent. Okay, now we can rewrite that. So again, we wrote it in logarithmic form. Awesome. Log base e, we have a special way of writing log base e because e is so common in the natural world. Mathematicians and scientists use it so much, they wanted a shorter way to write it. So instead of writing log base e, they actually write natural log ln, and they don't even write the e. Again, they wanted a shortcut. And then negative 0.05 t. Okay, so we're almost done. We're almost done. We just need to get that t by itself. Now again, negative 0.05 is multiplied to t. It is multiplied to d. So to get rid of negative 0.05, we need to divide it. So I'm going to go back to my green color. I'm going to divide this by negative 0.05, both sides, and that will cancel out. I'm left with t. T is by itself. T equals this natural log of 1/3 divided by negative 0.05. That is my answer. And I know it seems weird. There's like, well, we didn't find years. That's kind of strange. It wants the exact answer. So if you did put that into your calculator, let's do that right now. Let's put it into our calculator. It might be hard to see, but so I'm doing natural log of 1/3 all divided by negative 0.05. And I'm getting 21.97 years. Okay, it's going to take that many years for this glacier to go from 45 square kilometers to 15 square kilometers, 21.97 years. But it doesn't want us to put 21.97 years because that's not exact. It wants us to just put the exact answer. So we have a fraction, so I'm going to put that fraction first. I'm going to put my natural log of 1/3 over negative 0.05. And that should be how many years. So I'm going to check. Ta-da! And it's ready to go. So I hope that helps in solving exponential model word problems. Miss you guys.